Hello friends! Today I come here with a tutorial of a very attractive and puffy pancake that is made with just one egg. The taste is both excellent and wonderful. So stay with me and enjoy this tutorial. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: egg, 1 number, flour, 3 full tablespoons, sugar, 3 tablespoons, milk, 6 tablespoons, salt as needed, lemon juice, 1 teaspoon, butter, a little to grease the frying pan, vanilla or grated lemon peel, 1/4 teaspoon. Well, the most important thing is to separate the yolks and whites in cooking these puffy pancakes. Pour the egg yolk into the bowl. Now I add 3 tablespoons of flour to it. Now it's time to add 6 tablespoons of milk. Now add 1/4 teaspoon grated lemon peel and a very small amount of salt to the mixture. Now mix the ingredients well with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes. As you can see, the mixture thickens. I put this aside. Pour the egg whites into the bowl. I add a teaspoon of lemon juice to it. I beat it with an electric mixer until there is a bubble on it. Now it's time to add sugar. I add sugar to egg whites in 3 steps. After adding each tablespoon of sugar, beat the egg whites for 1 minute on high speed with an electric mixer. You can see that after the first stage, the egg white has become a little thicker. I add the next spoonful of sugar and start stirring again. Mix them for 1 minute on high speed again. And now the last step. Do not get tired of stirring. You should stir until the stirrer blade remains on the whites. You can see that it's completely thickened. Now it's time to add the yolk mixture to the white. Stir the mixture well with a spatula gently and in a circular motion. You can pour the mixture into the pan like the previous pancake video, which you can see it from the link above, or you can pour it in the mold. If you don't have a mold, cut a 22 by 6 cm rectangle of greaseproof paper and glue the edges together. This is our paper mold. Well, now I put the frying pan on the gas and reduce the gas flame very low. Now I put a little butter in the middle of the pan and put the mold on it. Now I put the ingredients into the mold with a ladle. I pour a teaspoon of water around the pan and quickly close it. Remember that the gas flame must be very low, otherwise the bottom of the pancake will burn and the middle will remain raw. Well, now I turn the pancakes and let the other side cook. Remember to fill only half of the mold because its volume doubles when baking it. Well, our pancakes are ready. You can see it has a soft and spongy texture. It's very puffy and attractive. You can decorate it and enjoy eating it. Now I decorate it with cream, bananas, colored chocolates, and honey. Now I cut it so that you can see the texture inside. It's really attractive, easy and delicious. I hope you bake this pancake at home and enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Hope to see you again.